ball. Brandon Alparic offers the fake. Con to Jeremy. 10 seconds. Sanchez pulls down another rebound. Makiraya shovel pass. Hindi nagkaintindihan. Another turnover for the white shirts. Brandon. Con pulls up. Yes, 3 points. Con. 6-0. Corpus. Makiraya, yes, answers with a 3. Score is 6-3. Con says something like, Con is fouled. Foul number 23, Balauta. And scored the second. Corpus is short. Rebound Cole.
What is coming?
Brandon, oh, no look pass. Cabrera recovers. Con pulls up another 3. Balauta, nagmamadali. Balauta, pass it to the wrong man. Con laces the handle. Con to Jeremy. No, Sanchez with another rebound. To Makiraya. Francisco to Cole. Balauta. Balauta scores inside. Brandon. Time out. Makiraya, no. Rebound, Tremor. Alparic with the rebound. Cabrera. Cabrera all the way. Cabrera score. And one play. Foul number 25. Cole, first personal foul. Second team foul of the white shirts. Bonus shot. Oh, in and out. Picar. Service the floor. Hinahanap si Makiraya. They swing around. Tremor. 8 seconds. Makiraya. 16-foot jumper. No. Con. No look pass. Kicks it out to Alparic. Corpus all the way to the hole for 2. Con 3, no good. Corpus. Corpus. Left-handed layup and one play. Foul number 7. Miss. Corpus, the drop is good. Con. Almost trouble. Alparic. Oh, running jumper is good for Brandon. Makiraya. Pass to Picar. Picar, shovel pass, Corpus. Makiraya. Oh! Score by Picar. 17-13. 4-point lead. Alvarez is in trouble. 10 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. Corpus. Tumakiraya. 3 seconds. Go! Short. And the first quarter score is Pineda, Poliano, attacking. Pineda, 15-foot jumper, no. Rebound Poliano. Pineda throws it up and good. Ayong takin. Ayong. Picar, no. Rebound Poliano. Poliano to Pineda. Pineda. Miguel, too strong. Tanggal ang sapatos. Picar, sit shot is good. 4-point lead. Poliano, bring down the ball. Pass to Goles. Pineda. Pineda, no. Goles, no good. Corpus, stop at back. Corpus, no good. Poliano. Short. Corpus with a foot race. Inopia. Substitution. Go out. Corpus. Primor. Okay.
Pagsagal sila ulit. Huwag niyo gamitin yung laki nyo.
Poliano. Bring down the ball. Being guarded by Inopia. Poliano bounce pass to Miguel. Goles. Nasaraduan ng pito. Romeliar. 6 seconds. Makiraya. Stolen by Poliano. Poliano with a foot race. Poliano decided to pass and run. And foul committed by. It's good. Inopia. Sanchez in trouble. Pass to Balauta, 10 seconds. Balauta forces the issue. And foul is called. Oh, what a pass! And what a finish. Mata sa mata lang, kindatan lang ang labanan. And this guy play. Poliano to Pineda. Pineda kicks it out. Poliano. Poliano 3. No good. Off the mark. Here comes Makiraya. Mupo pa sa ere. And the lead is down to 3. Here comes Poliano. Running the point for Ayong. 3 points. Inopia signaling the play. Makiraya falls up, yes. Apat ang inahabol ng Pati. Ano ang gagawin? Poliano to Torres. Pass to Poliano. Ayong na naman. Ayong running jumper, no. Balota. Oh, nice to one. What a defensive play. Poliano, Bupasari. Wala. Symbol. Substitution. Cabrera. Timeout. Pati. Pineda. Crossover dribble. Poliano. Dole, short jumper. Less naman na yan. Pineda with the foot race. Pineda is fouled on the way up. Foul number 2. Inopia, first personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution, Picar. Inopia.
Hindi na kami maghintay gabi na eh.
Francisco
Bye.
and
Thank
Campus.
you, ha. Rico, salamat.
First shot ni Ayong, pasok.
Thank you, Juba. Bye-bye, ingat kayo. Oh.
Corpus. Francisco. Balota is troubled. Traveling. Poliano. Received the inbound. Offensive foul.
Number 8, offensive foul.
On number 8, Poliano. Corpus. Down low to Francisco. Kicks it out. Macaraya all day to shoot. Wala. Rebound. Corpus. Step back. No. Balauta. Offensive rebound. Wala rin. Cabrera falls down the rebound. Poliano to Doles. Doles. Stop and pop. He scores na naman. Makiraya. Corpus again. Short again. Makiraya fakes. Yuri score. Walo lang. 55 seconds remaining. Bata. Poliano. Pineda na naman. Bang! Corpus. Ano ang gagawin? Cross-court pass to Makiraya. Makiraya is... Oh, step on the line. 26 seconds. Pineda took the cutting goals. Cabrera. You know. 9 seconds. Francisco, wala. Balota. And foul. Number 8. Seconds. 2 seconds remaining. And of course, Corpus. Pass to Primor. Corpus. Long three. Corpus. Finally. Pineda. To Con. Brandon. Steal by Corpus. Corpus all the way. Alvarez.
Number 9, warning, connect the game.
Substitution. Cabrera. Jeremy Bang. Corpus. Airball. Primor. Black. Cabrera. Stolen by Corpus. Corpus to Primor. Brandon, shovel pass, Cabrera. Con fall away, jumper, no. Rebound Balota. Makiran. Jeremy dancing. Brandon attacking. Brandon, no. Rebound Picar. Corpus 3, no. Brandon Cabrera. Parek is 3 seconds. Oh, intercept. All the way. Time out. Tumakiraya. Picar. Corpus. Takes. Makiraya. No. Con. Oh, Cabrera. Makiraya is fouled. Number 11. Cabrera, first personal foul. First team foul. Go. Corpus. No. Jeremy. Oh, no look pass. Holy the boy. Not in my house. Corpus. Makiraya. No. Go with the rebound. Go. Corpus the one-hander.
He doesn't look tired to me. He doesn't look tired to me.
41-30, 11-point lead. And Francisco. Nagtitimon para sa mga nakaputi. Corpus. Step back. Corpus. Wala talaga. Off night. Con loses the handle. Substitution. Makiraya. Pass to Corpus. Picar. 10 seconds. Picar. No. Makiraya with the steal. And foul on the way up. Foul number 9. Con. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Raymondo Makiraya. Makiraya secured the first. And 2 for 2. We mix both. Alfaric fakes. No. Francisco with the rebound. Corpus. Makiraya. Nilapit. Wala. Corpus tracking the rebound. Corpus side set. Penalty. And 1. JC is good. Here comes Con. Con directing traffic. Pass to Brendan. Technical foul on number 7, Jeremy. Jumble yun, di ba? Rep, jumble ba yan? Okay. Robillar. Oh, reverse leg is good. By Brandon. Francisco. Steps on the break. Corpus. Attacking Corpus and 1 again. Con running the point for the Black Shirts. Oh, nice play. Broken play. Brandon step through and is fouled. Foul number 22. Picar, second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Brandon. First shot is miss. Picar with the rebound. Makiraya. Makiraya attacking. Out of bounds. Picar. Corpus. Corpus for 3. No. Rebound Brandon. 6 seconds.
3,
2.
1.
Basket counts. Medina, Pineda, Absar, Amen, side step, no. Rebound, Makiraya. Makiraya, foot race, Corpus, score.
Pressure! Pressure! Pressure nyo rin! Pressure! Isa!
Medina, Pineda,
Pressure nyo rin!
Pineda, last touch. 7-point lead. Corpus, catch and shoot, no. Makiraya, Makiraya, Balata, Balata is held down.
Isa muna ulit!
Balata,
Shoot!
oy, shooter's touch. Shooter's bounce, para Balata. Pangalawa. Circle 2.
Pressure!
And the lead is down to 5. Poliano. Corpus, the one-hander is good. Tatlo na lang. Poliano. Zigzagging. Pineda, wide open. Bang, bang, bang. For Pineda. Napabayaan si Ayong. Corpus. Ano ang gagawin ng mga nakaputi? Makiraya. Attacking, fakes. Oh, nice tiran. Poliano with the foot race. Oh, huli na. Same ball. 19 seconds to shoot. Balota! Baseline.
Pressure pa rin! Gusto ko siya, pag-pressure!
Poliano. Shovel pass, Robeliar, black face, Picar. Corpus fakes. Corpus, the one-hander is good.
Pressure! Pressure! Isa na!
Pineda. Pineda, the hot hand. Poliano. 6 seconds. 5. Robeliar, no. Corpus. Corpus, no. Corpus. Stop. Ang hinahabol.
Pressure pa rin kayo!
Sana mag-overtime ng 5. Con. No. Makiraya with the rebound. Pagpag lang yan. Jeremy. Con. Loses down there. Makiraya with the foot race. Makiraya. No. Francisco. And one. Bonus free throw for the lead. Oh, Sablay. Offensive rebound. Makiraya. Balauta. Balauta. Score. Second team foul. Foul. Yuri.
Yuri, talikuran mo na lang. Layo ka ng kunti. Layo ka kunti.
Cabrera recovers. Brandon. Basket. Balauta. Tumakiraya. Francisco. Yuri. 8 seconds. Yuri. No. Sub. Brendan. Oh, he's throws it away. Makiraya. Corpus. Corpus, no. Rebound, Doles. Con is fouled. Foul number 10. 2 shots. First shot is good by Con. 2-point game. Two for two. We mix both. Makiraya. Pass to Balauta. Balauta at the low block. Balauta. Corpus. Step back. Corpus. Short. Parik. Corpus now. Yoli is good. Time. Con with a foot race. Con is traveled. Traveling. Unforced error. Last 2 minutes. Makiraya. Francisco to Makiraya. Corpus. Corpus now. Foul number 3. Makiraya, second personal foul. Oh, first is no good. Score is 56-55. 1 point lead by Hana Boys. Second is good. 2-point lead. Makiraya. Francisco. To Balata. Balata in trouble. Ace foul. Foul number 2, Al Farik. Technical foul on number 2, Al Farik. First is good.
Balong! Yan na lang! Balong!
Balata in the pressure cooker.
Sabayin mo na! Kalma, baby, kalma.
First shot by Balong is good.
Isa na lang ulit. Kalabaw!
And we are tied at 57. For the lead.
Nice long!
Short.
Wow, balong!
Rebound thrown to Doles. Astro Villar.
Pressure, lapit! Lapit kita!
Doles is fouled. 2 for 2.
No!
Corpus. Corpus in trouble. Balata. Francisco fakes. Makiraya wide open. No. Francisco. No. Francisco again. Score.
Lapit na! Lapit!
Timeout.
Tayo ah! Balong! Alas ka dyan! Balong! Balong! Alas ka dyan!
Corpus. What he gonna do? Corpus. Ano ang gagawin? 10 seconds. Panga, no. Rubilla with the rebound. Doles. First shot is good. 4-point lead.
What? Last man!
Foul again. Number 10. Francisco, fourth personal foul. 2 shots. First shot is good.
One foul. Foul.
2 for 2. Makiraya fakes. Makiraya shoots. No. Doles with an emphatic rebound.